Hi beautiful lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Beauty Spot. Hope so you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I will show you some baby hairstyles. Let's begin with a classic messy bun. It's simple, quick and has that carefree look that never goes out of style. Just gather the hair loosely at the top of the head, twist it gently and secure it with an elastic. Next is the low messy bun, a more elegant look on the classic style. This one side adds the nape of the neck, giving it a relaxed yet polished look. Simply pull the hair into a low ponytail, twist it closely, and pin it into place with bobby pins. For girls who like a little extra detail, the twisted loose bun is a fun variation. Starting by twisting small section of hair from both sides of the head, then gather them into a loose bun at the back. If you want to keep things playful and cute, try the half up those one. This style lets you keep some of the hair down while pulling the top half into the soft, messy bun. It's a fun casual look that works great for younger girls who want to keep their hair out of their face while still showing off their loose, long locks. It's perfect for school days, play dates, or casual weekends. And for those who like a modern twist, the top knot bun is a go-to. A loose variation of the top knot gives off an effortlessly cool vibe. Gather the hair into a high bun, but don't pull it too tight. Let it